As always, we would like our second graders to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance. I didn't even get to say it. Very good. Can you stand? Very good. Thank you, second graders. Okay. We are here to celebrate our friends. So that means we are sitting with a quiet body. We are focusing our attention. And we are going to kindly celebrate this month's winners. Mrs. Macri, would you like to read out today? Microphone?
Beautifully we sing.
The three B's. That is what we are here to celebrate today. Be safe. Safe bodies and safe words. Be respectful. That means we're listening to others and we're treating others the way we want to be treated. And we're being responsible. We're following directions the first time and we're completing our tasks. And don't forget, are we only following the three B's here at Kingsborough? We follow the three B's everywhere, right? Yes, at home, out in the community, when we're in the store, shopping, and we have those places all around. They are looking for you. They are looking for our scholars to be following those three B's to get those golden tickets.
So today we are going to focus on self-awareness. Okay, so self-awareness is having an accurate understanding of ourselves. This includes knowing our strengths, challenges, values, emotions, and hopes for the future. When kids and teens have stronger self-awareness, they are better equipped for success. Right. So our Scholar Spotlight winners for self-awareness are... We have in pre-K, Emulus Reynolds. Maria's class, we have Daniel Love. In Miss Rossi's class, we have Sebastian Labonte. And finally, in Mrs. Sweeney, Miss Hawkins' class, we have Atticus Bernard. Congratulations to all our winners.
Okay, here at Kingsborough, we have our 3 B's, but we also strive for. Yes. So every month we love to celebrate our scholars with their perfect attendance. So we have 46 perfect attendance winners for the month of January. Let's give them a big round of applause. Perfect attendance strive for fivers. Can you please stand up and show us who you are? There they are. Nice job. Remember, every day is a new day, every week is a new week, every month is a new month. We're always striving for 5. We want to be here 5 days a week, and we don't want to miss any more than 5 days a year. I know you can do it. And here's our special area awards.
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson. On behalf of Coach Dixon, the Golden Sneaker Award for excellence in gym this past month in pre-K goes to Mrs. Boynton's class. The Golden Sneaker Award for kindergarten goes to Mrs. Lumen's class. The Golden Sneaker Award for first grade and the class exhibiting self-awareness in gym goes to Miss Carney's class. And the final Golden Sneaker Award for second grade goes to Mrs. DeMaria's class. Similarly, the Notable Note Award is given for a class exhibiting excellence and self-awareness in music the past month. The Notable Note Award for second grade goes to Miss Rossi's class.
Nice job, Miss Rossi's class.
The Notable Note Award for first grade goes to Miss Patrick's class.
Nice job, Miss Padry's class.
The Notable Note Award for kindergarten goes to Miss Barnhart and Miss Roofshaw's class.
Nice job, Miss Barnhart.
And the final Notable Note Award for self-awareness in music goes to Miss Boynton's class.
So Miss Laporte is our teacher that goes from school to school, but she has a message for January for everybody. In the creative art room, having self-awareness deals with cleaning up after yourself, being aware of your own space, goals, and choices. Our scholars have been focusing on communicating our feelings, goals, being aware of our own workspace, and organizing materials, and having navigated different creative stations. And the awards for Mr. Laporte's
classes for pre-K is Ms. Boyden's class. For kindergarten is Sweeney Ms. Koziak's class. First grade is Caddy's class.
Mrs. Padry's class. Nice job.
And for second grade, Ms. Sweeney and Mrs. Culkin's class.
Nice job.
And now on to our library report for the month of January. For pre-K, Ms. Stover's class. For kindergarten, Ms. Lumen's class.
Nice job, Ms. Lumen.
For first grade, Ms. Samber's class.
Nice job, Ms. Lumen's class.
And for second grade, Ms. DeMaria's class.
Sure will, thank you.
And the last award I have for library is my Rock and Reader Award, and that is to a second grade student that has read the most books in the month. So for the month of January, who blew it out of the park would be Mr. Eddie.
Well, we have one more award to give. Our Scholar Spotlight Award for January. Mr. Milo Swindell was not here a few minutes ago, but I just got word that he is here now. Mr. Milo, are you here? Come on up. In Mrs. Padry's class, Self-Awareness Award goes to Milo Swindell. Okay. And I want to give one more special shout out. We had a new faculty member join us this year, Coach Dixon. And I wanted everybody to know what an amazing addition he's been, how helpful he is to our scholars, what wonderful relationships he's building with our scholars and our teachers, and we hope he's here a long time. Can we give him a big round of applause, please? Thank you for all that you brought to our building, Coach. We appreciate you. Okay, so next month, we are working on self-control. We want to stop, think, and act. Remember, we want to stop, reel it in, and think of all the solutions there are, and pick the one with the best consequences. So that's really our focus for next month. We are going to practice and practice and practice. So, congratulations to all of our Scholar Spotlight winners. Congratulations to all of our Strive for Fivers. And a big, giant thank you to all of our families and friends that come to support us month after month. We wouldn't be able to do this without you. You are the key to us teaching and learning and growing here at Kingsborough. So thank you very much. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and stay warm out there. winner. Congratulations, everybody. We're just going to take one group picture of our winners here.